So this is the Strayman Big Sky reverb pedal, and it is the best pedal I've ever used on the keys ever in my whole life. Just gonna put it on here. I've even Velcroed it onto my keyboard. Then I'll just connect it. So this is where the pedal lives on my setup, just right there. Easy access. It literally makes my playing sound 10 times better. I'm not fully confident with this pedal yet, but what I have found, I got like my 4 favorite settings I use. It's like I use a pad, just classic basic reverb, and then like some cool pitch changing reverb spring type things. Okay, I'm gonna play something without this pedal first. Great, let's try turn it on. Oh hell yeah, so pretty. So this is my big sounding reverb. I kind of use this as like effects playing with a band. Come on, so good. I love it so much. Oh hell yeah. What else is there? This is a pad, so this might be something I want to set just to like fill out space in a group, and then I might play another keyboard or something over top. Here we go. Hands off. So now it just plays, and I might go up here. So this one is a detuned sound. I think it messes around with the delay to get the effect. So pretty, and you can even like make little wobbles and scratches by changing the delay time. Real dubby sounds. I think the detune one's my favorite. Dope. So that's the Big Sky over a Rhodes sound, but you can totally use it over strings as well. Let's see what that sounds like. So sick. It kind of turns the Nord into a synth, which is so dope. So that's probably enough yapping from me. I'm just gonna jam something out now and experiment with the Big Sky.